What if you could run your own decentralized storage system? In just a few minutes? Welcome to the future of data. Right now, most of your data lives on centralized servers, meaning you don't really control it. Centralization equals risk. That's where MEFS comes in, a decentralized storage system built for the future and designed for true data ownership. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to install and run the MEFS MCP server. We'll cover everything from your first download to getting your node live on the network. Before we start, make sure you have a computer, Windows, Linux, or Mac. You'll also need a basic internet connection and terminal or command line access. First, go to the official MEMO resources and download the MEFS MCP package. Make sure you're using the latest version for the best security and performance. Now open your terminal and run the installation commands provided in the docs. This will install all required dependencies automatically on your machine. While it installs, ensure your network remains stable to avoid any interruptions. And just like that, the core MEFS server software is ready on your system. Next, we need to configure your node settings. Open the config file. Adjust your storage path and network permissions to match your local setup. Now for the moment of truth, run the server command to go live. And there it is. Your MEFS node is active and connected to the network. You're now part of a decentralized storage network powering the future. With MEFS, you get full control of your data with industry-leading security. This is just the beginning of the MEMO ecosystem. More pro tips are coming. So hit follow to stay tuned and learn how to master decentralized storage. See you.